So guys, we're in downtown Hanoi in the old quarter. We had a great day out on the bikes yesterday, and today we're just heading out, waiting for our puppet tour and then a food tour a bit later on. And then for here we're going to watch Leeds play Arsenal. So who knew that was a thing? Anyway, it's absolutely bucketing it down here, so I'm just going to show you what's going on, and yeah, just see, we're just getting out of the rain, so here we are.
Can I just show you what a bird's done on Andrew's back?
Oh, so yeah, so keep posted and we'll keep you updated, but for the time being we're like ducks, so yeah, have a good one.
It is.